Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a origami heart box with a hidden note. Can you see the note? To make the origami heart box, we need a square paper. If you want the heart white in color, you have to keep the white side on top, and if you want the heart colored, you have to keep the colored side on the top. First, we have to fold diagonally to make a triangle. Open it and fold it the opposite way. Open it and fold it in half. Open it and fold it the opposite way. Open it and bring this corner to the middle. Open it and bring this corner to this line. Fold it on that crease and do the same on this side also. Then bring this edge to this line. Do the same on the other side also. Then fold it like this. Open it and bring this flap like this edge to this line. Do the same on this side also. And flatten it. Bring this corner to this line. And bring this corner to this line. Then bring this corner to this line and then fold it in half. Do the same on the other side also. The box is ready. Now let's make the heart. Bring this flap like this and bring this corner to this middle point. Then bring this corner to this point. Open it and bring this corner to this line. Then fold it like this and fold this corner like this to make a marking. Open it and push it inside. Do the same on the other side also. Now our heart box is ready. Now I have many boxes. You also make sticker note and share it to your dear ones. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.